Hey guys, it's the Gamer Boy with today I'm going to show you the best settings for condenser microphone SF-666. I've also made an unboxing video. The link will be in the description, or you can click the white thing that will just appear in 3, 2, 1, and yeah, you can click on that, or it will be in the description below. Now, without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. Now, here you're on desktop. At the taskbar you will have your sound option. If you don't have, go to the show hidden icons here, then you'll get the sound. By default I have it here, so just right click on it, not left click. Then you'll get like a pop-up menu, then click on sounds, then click on recording. Here select your microphone. This microphone, the high definition audio device, this is my condenser microphone. So just click on that and go to levels. Here the microphone boost, here it will be by default to 20 dB. Change it to 10. If it is on 20 or 30, then there will be a lot of background noises, and if you have a CPU, then the sound of your CPU fan, that too will be recorded, and your breathing sound will be recorded, footstep sound will be recorded. That's all like annoying, so just change it to 10 dB. I don't know what's the meaning of dB. I'll learn about it. So yeah, I changed it to 10 dB. I'm not gonna change it now because you may not be hearing my voice. I mean, my voice will be not audible. My microphone will not be working for OBS, so I'm not sure. I don't want to do that, so I've just changed it. But so in advanced, by default here in the default format, here just click on that. By default it will be like this DVD quality or 96000 and 6000 headset studio quality, but this is 2 channel and 16-bit. Go to 2 channel 24-bit, 19 lakh 1,92,000 and studio quality. Yes, select that and click apply and OK. You can choose any microphone you want. That's your, depends on your microphone, which microphone you have. This also works for like any microphone, but not like headset microphones. You know, some office headset microphones, they're very like bad in quality. I think it may not work for that, but it will definitely work for like desktop microphones, or like microphones like for this headset. It will work. Many YouTubers will use like these headsets or earphones. Maybe it will work for earphones, maybe. So that's it. And if it works for like headset, office headset microphones, then I'll let you know in this video comment. Don't forget to check the comments, and also you can post your video ideas, any video ideas related to tech, gaming, that yes. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and bye bye.